Hey, Rise and Shine family, we back with another one. We had a trade coming into the London session at about 1:45 a.m. last night. It was another Eurocast setup, just as it was from yesterday. Had really good price action. Here we have another color setup. We have a beautiful uh, seller's momentum candle, which is a price action candle that is encoded in the colors. And all we did here, I went on ahead and checked out the structure. We had red structure. Inside of colors, the red boxes represent sales, and the green boxes, you would vice versa be looking for buys. So since I was looking for sales, all I had to do was grab me a nice price action candle. I got my entry right there and got the risk to reward set up for 1 to 2. So as you can see here, I got the invalidation area, the entry, and my first idea goal down here. Now, inside of colors, the boxes, when they're broken, when structures are broken, they actually turn yellow, right? So this bottom box down here was actually green, showing me that it was a demand zone. So all I did was put my take profit on top of that box right there, and that was my reward, right? So that's exactly how I ran this play. As you can see, this is current time. It is currently 1:15 p.m. And basically, we got the trade actually ran for 1 to 3 risk to reward, which is for every one you risk, you're going to get 3 more, right? So if you were risking 1%, you would be go ahead and getting 3% return on that. On this specific trade, I risked 1.5% and gained a total reward of 3%. So you want to be able to get optimal entries and exits in the market so that way you can capitalize and get the best risk to reward that you can, right? So basically, it was a really good setup. Let's check out how many pips we risked and stuff like that. So boom, we got a 40 pip stop again around that range, right? And this thing went ahead and ran for about 80 pips. So right in that zone was exactly where I had my take profit set. Colors is the playbook, and then you just go back to the broker and you go ahead and put your entries in like that. But that's the setup for the day. January 4th at 1:16 p.m. That was the Wednesday trade. Hit EuroCAD up once again. And we're gonna come back with another one. London session tonight or New York tomorrow, depending upon where I see the best setups at. One more thing here. So right here, as we had this trade develop, we had red folder CHF CPI last night. So I got in after the news and I noticed that there was an engulfing candle. So basically, this morning at 9 a.m., there was actually red folder USD news. I took my profits and was out of the market at around 7 going into 8 o'clock, like right in that range right there, if not a little bit after. But basically, as you can see, when that red folder CPI news happened, we got another drop off. And the way that you would have stayed in this trade if you were trading price action without having your risk reward set, the way you would do it is just look at the supreme line and guideline. This trade would have helped you stay in all the way down, and you would have had more confidence in where price was going due to these, moving averages that are coded into colors. And yeah, that's a good setup for the day. And we're just going to continue to find new setups and just keep checking it out. If you're enjoying this, give it a like. I'm going to keep them coming. Yeah, and that's it. Let's go.